Real quickly, I wanted to go over the course material that is provided in the beginning of Module 1. It's set aside because I think it's something you might refer back to, and I wanted to make sure it was readily available to you. I've already talked a little bit about the syllabus, so I'm not going to go too much into that. It does have my contact information, all of the different information in regards to the course, and there are also a lot of really cool resources that are available to you as students. So I wanted to ensure that you've seen this. The M-1 handout, the MLA document design, is one of the more important documents in this course. There's an expectation for how your essays are going to look. This is the front page of an essay with the name block up in the top left-hand side, the name and the page number up on the top right-hand side, 1-inch margins, double spaced, and it's very basic. I want to make sure that we all have this. You don't have to dress every assignment that you turn in like an essay. The only convention that does move on if you decide to utilize resources, which I hope you do, in different assignments, that you have the parenthetical in text citations within the text and that you have a works cited. We're doing MLA, not APA. This is important because you're not going to get graded if you're using APA, dropping dates. I want page numbers. There's a little bit of a difference between APA, MLA, but there's not any wiggle room. So don't do APA, don't drop notebooks, I'm sorry, footnotes, or anything else that's kind of strange. So follow the MLA format guidelines. If you have questions, talk to me about it. I've also included the English 300 rubric. I'm asking for every single essay that you turn in. This is just the essays that you look at the rubric, you give me a grade justification after the works cited, and you tell me what you think the essay deserves based on the rubric. I want to take the mystery out of the grading. I want you to get the grade that you believe that you've earned, and that we can have some language for how these grades are actually coming to be. It's not a matter of, oh, I tried really hard. It's really about what showed up on the page and what does it fit into, or how does it fit into the criteria. So please keep in mind every single essay you need to include a grade justification utilizing the language of the English 300 rubric, telling me the grade that you think that you deserve. So I want you to make sure that you have this handy. All right, that's it. That's what we have for the first section. I just wanted to briefly go over this. There is a section on how to use Canvas. I kind of moved away from that. This is great if you're new to Canvas, or even if you have some familiarity with Canvas and you just want to see some tricks or shortcuts on how to navigate through. If you're already familiar with it, you don't have to worry about this. So that's what I wanted to go over. Let's get into Module 1.